So these hoes in our town
wanna be starting shit. Like, the fuck is you? Get the fuck out of here, nigga.
The fuck is you? I mean,
like, get yourself your own man and stop trying to get with mine. Cause he don't want your ass.
Your ratchet, crispy, crusty ass.
Fuck it, your can't even say that. Look at this. Cause this bitch gonna be watching this video and she gonna tweet on it.
She gonna be like, ew, these bitches are mad crispy.
Like, why they talking about me? Me and my haters. Like, they
no,
just
bitch.
hating.
No, bitch. Haters ain't your motivators. You crispy as hell. Nobody wants you. You fuck.
Like, bitch. Fuck out of here with your suit. Anyways. And then there's this other bitch who wanna be like flirting with everybody. Like, bitch, get the fuck out of here. You a hoe. You know you a hoe.
And then she wanna pretend like she not a hoe with
like,
everybody.
Bitch, you go with half the school. Don't act like you ain't a hoe. You a hoe. H-O-E hoe.
I thought it was H-O.
No, that's like ho ho Christmas. Ho. Isn't it? Anyways.
So
the struggle with these hoes. Like,
I can't deal with it anymore. Or
like, bitches be struggling to keep their man because these hoes. Fuck is you. Fuck is on your business.
Like, if somebody is in a relationship and you know damn well that that girl and that guy is in a relationship, you need to stop flirting with them. You need to stop talking to them. That's it. Like, blank, period.
Delete that nigga.
And if they on BBM and you see they got a side status with their name on it, fuck that hoe. Don't fuck her. I mean, like, don't be doing that. That's
like, that's not cool. Like, you just look like a hoe, and everybody gonna be calling you a hoe. Like, bitch, get the fuck out of here.
And guys, that's not cute either. You still a hoe. You
like, you wanna be catching some STDs or something? Get the fuck out of here with that shit.
Herpes.
Get some fucking like pube lice, some shit. Get the fuck out of here. No one wanna see that nasty ass shit with your fucking pubes, nigga.
Nobody wanna see your pubes in the first place.
But anyways, the struggle is hard. You gotta get through it. Bitches, though. Ratchet ass bitches.
Hoes will always be hoes. You can't turn a hoe into a housewife.
Real nigga shit.
Yeah, my laugh is weird.
Wait, we never introduced ourselves.
I finished it off right now.
That's Tiffany.
That's Angie.
Deuces, nigga.
Deuce. Like a boss, nigga.
Okay, seriously though.
What's that?
Let's get real.
Why don't you guys talk?
Okay, Tiffany, come on. Let's do this.
You can edit that out.
So that's Tiffany.
That's Angie.
What up, nigga? Can't answer me. Okay. So these hoes gonna be starting shit. Right, Tiffany?
I can't do this. Seriously, we can't have that song play.
You can edit that out. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Let's just put that out there.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know I was in the camera.
Okay, well.
Keep talking. Be like, you're Ratchet. Did it stop?
No.
Awkward.